Look at that supermoon. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's very bright. Man, the bike's not running good at all. What's going on, everybody? So I changed the spark plugs on my bike because I thought the problem was the spark plugs. It wasn't the spark plugs. So I changed the spark plug cables back to the stock spark plug cables. And it wasn't that, it kept doing it. So I put the other spark plug cables back on. And last night I went out for a little ride, and the engine light came on, and I finally got some codes that I'll show you in a picture right here. I got some engine codes, or I'm sorry, diagnostic codes from the Power Vision, because you can read diagnostics from the Power Vision. And it was running real bad. It was running on one cylinder. It was just running really bad, and it shut off before I could even make it home. So I'm taking the bike out today just to see if anything happens, but honestly, I messed around with some of the stuff. I was reading it could be maybe the T-map sensor on the intake there. So I was thinking maybe it's actually that, because, well, it wasn't really just a guess. It was like the bike was saying that that's what the problem was, because that's the codes that came up here. So it's not like I'm just like guessing around to what the problem could be. That's what it says the issue was. And I think that the map sensor is somewhere down right in here. I guess it's called the manifold absolute pressure for map, that measures the intake air temperature, and the air to fuel ratio, takes very important measurements of those. And if it's acting up, then your bike could be hesitating, it could have rough idle, could have engine missing. There's a whole host of problems that it could be. But now I'm out here, I'm riding out here today just to see if anything happens. I mean, I flashed the last map that I auto-tuned onto it. I'm not experiencing any problems today so far. So far it's riding pretty good. And what a beautiful day it is out. I can finally go over 4,000 RPMs. Wow, it's riding really good. I did unplug and plug things back in down there just to make sure everything was right, plugged in and connected. It's riding really good, man. No problems at all. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to get out and make a video and give you guys an update of what's going on. If you like my content, please like and subscribe and comment. Whatever you want to do, I appreciate it. I might change this cat back because it keeps going like all over the place. Might change it back to the stock one. See, look, I'm gonna have it like this right now, and then I'm gonna look back down like 5 minutes later, and it's gonna be like upside down. In second gear. That's what's up. All right, well, I'll see you guys next time.